Hi everyone, I'm C. Now I'm staying in Nam Khat village, Hmoob district. So now following me and I will show you how the Hmong people harvest rice field in here. Okay, you can see in front of me the Hmong people still working and harvest the rice. And now you can see the beautiful sunset and the big tree behind me. Around in here is a very quiet place. You know, this season is a busy season for the farmers. Everyone is busy harvesting rice. After cutting the rice plant, what does the farmer to do separate the rice seed from the stem? Do you know? In the past, the Hmong people used a wonder parent to flex the rice plant so that the rice grain fell into the barrel. But now they use the machine instead of the wooden barrel, like what you see in here. The productivity is also double. The machine also helps filter out the noise rice grain inside. And here you can see young people working very hard to help their parents. I don't see any girl in here because the girl doesn't work with the machine, only the boy, because the boy can carry rice by themselves. Women only harvest rice like cutting and do lighter work. And by myself, I really don't know how to do it. So I have to say bye-bye.